There are many different beliefs about bullying. Most are not true and are myths. Let's talk about a few of the myths that are most common about bullying. Myth number 1. Well, our school doesn't have bullies. School is the most common place for bullying to occur. Even though school seems like it would be a very hard place to bully, many areas of the school are not supervised by teachers or administrators, like the hallways or bathrooms during passing time. Teachers and administrators are responsible for creating a safe environment for students, but since only approximately 33% of bullying incidents are even reported to teachers or administrators, many teachers are not able to determine which incidents are one-time occurrences and which are ongoing problems. Myth number 2, teachers always respond when bullying takes place. Teachers are not as aware of what is happening as they could be or as they think they are. Teachers most often are uneducated about spotting bullying incidents and may not interfere if they are unsure of how to handle the situation. Myth number 3, bullying is easy to spot. The idea of the bully as the kid who steals lunch money is mostly obsolete. Most bullying occurs in the spaces adults don't occupy, like a locker room or an empty hallway, a playground corner, or in the bathroom. By early elementary school, kids are adept at escaping the watchful eyes of adults. Myth number 4, children who are bullied will almost always tell an adult. Adults are often unaware of bullying, in part because many children and youth do not report it. Most studies find that less than half of bullied children talk to an adult about their bullying. Most boys and older children are less likely than girls and younger children to tell adults about bullying. Children are reluctant to report bullying because they may fear retaliation by children doing the bullying. They may also fear that adults won't take their concerns seriously or that they'll deal inappropriately with the bullying situation. Myth number 5, it is only outcasts that bully others. Many people believe that everyone dislikes a class bully, but in truth, the research shows that many bullies have high status in the classroom and often have lots of friends. Bullies possess high levels of self-esteem and can be as popular as their non-bullying peers. This is likely caused by the bully being reinforced for his aggressive behavior by a small group of his peers. This reinforcement fuels the bully's sense of power and of self-worth. Myth number 6, bullies appear tough, but they're actually anxious and insecure. There is a general belief that bullies have low self-esteem. That myth has its root in the widely accepted view that people who bully others must act in that way because they think poorly of themselves. Most bullies have little anxiety and insecurity and actually have a very positive self-image. Myth number 7, bullying is an isolated problem. While the recent headlines bring attention to bullying as a major public health problem, they may also cause people to separate themselves and their schools from the discussions. But the towns where these tragic events occurred are not the exception. The stories heard on the news are so tragic that the immediate response is, "Oh, that would never happen in my town," or "The bullying problem is not that bad here." In reality, every town in America should be concerned about bullying and its effects. Myth number 8, bullying is not a legal issue. Bullying often turns into illegal harassment or criminal behavior. Many states have enacted laws that prohibit bullying in schools and online and require schools to have active prevention and intervention programs. Roughly 80% of the United States have some sort of bullying legislation in place. Most also have laws against cyberbullying.